In the heat and dust, tiny flakes of gold finally appear.
Members of Cover This Gold Hunters also search in some of the harshest deserts on Earth.
The detector helps them locate hidden metal signals beneath the scorched soil.
In deserts, the ground is tough, and digging takes real effort.
They sift the dry soil, letting the wind carry away the fine sand and leaving only the heavier material behind.
In the heat and dust, tiny flakes of gold finally appear.
And sometimes they find a real desert nugget. The reward for endurance.